Welcome to our Weigl control tutorial. My name is Daniel and I'm going to show you how to do step by step a firmware update for your ProCommander LX2 on a Windows computer. The latest firmware version of ProCommander LX2 can be found in the video description and on weigl.support. Connect your ProCommander LX2 to the computer according to the specifications of the wiring diagram by connecting your 24-volt power supply on the back of the ProCommander LX2 and also by wiring the Ethernet cable to the Ethernet port in front, which is directly connected to your computer. The default IP address of ProCommander LX2 is 10.0.0.1.0.1. Start your control panel. There you select Network and Sharing Center. There you go on your Ethernet connections. You click on Properties. Then you select Internet Protocol version 4. Once again on Properties. Please make sure the IP address in the first three sections are identical to your ProCommander. 10.0.0. The last section must be different to all other devices in your network. For your subnet mask, use also the standard of 3 times 255 and 0 in the end. Confirm your selection with a click on OK. Close all other windows. Prior performing the firmware update, please make sure there is no SD card in the ProCommander. Now let's get started with the update. Open the Weigl Hardware Configurator software. In the drop-down menu Network Adapters, select the IP address of your computer. Scan for your ProCommander by clicking on the Scan Devices button. After the scan process, Configurator lists all connected ProCommander devices in your network. Select your device with a double click. Click on Info to receive the current configuration settings on your device. Click on Firmware Update, select File, Open and begin update. While the update is running, please make sure the device is connected. The letter P on the display of the ProCommander is an indicator for an ongoing update process. After you have confirmed the pop-up window, you can verify the updated firmware version under the section Software Version by clicking on Info. Congratulations, you successfully updated latest features on your ProCommander. If you want to get more tutorials like this, check out our Weigl Control channel, or if you have any further questions, please contact us on support@weiglcontrol.com. I'm looking forward to see you in the next Weigl Control tutorial.